Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rahmi Nissa Fajari. In this video, I will explain about comparing and contrasting. The differences between comparing and contrasting are: when you compare two things, you show how they similar. When you contrast two things, you show how they different. The language of comparison. The first one is affirmative sentences. With B, the affirmative sentences is: John is a student and George is too. John is a student and so is George. With other verbs, Japan exports cars, Germany does too. Japan exports cars and so does Germany. The second one is negative sentences. With B, the negative sentences are: the blue dress isn't expensive and the green dress isn't either. The blue dress isn't expensive and neither is the green dress. With other verbs, owls don't sleep at night and mice don't either. Owl don't sleep at night and neither do mice. The language of contrast. Anne and Beth are identical twins. Of course, they are alike in many ways. They are the same age, the same height, and the same weight. They are also have the same color eyes and hair. However, they are also different in many ways. Anne is funnier than Beth. Anne is busier than Beth. Anne is cuter than Beth. Anne is nicer than Beth. And Anne is smarter than Beth. Beth is more serious than Anne. Beth is more athletic than Anne. Beth is more creative than Anne. Beth is more interesting than Anne. Beth is more sophisticated than Anne. In language of contrast, we use er and more for this contrast. For the example, when I was in second grade of junior high school, I was transferred to Payakumbuh, West Sumatra. While there, I experienced culture shock. In Payakumbuh and in Bintan, where I came from, it's very different. Payakumbuh colder than Bintan, even though Bintan is still in Sumatra, but the difference in temperature and weather is very clear. When I was in Payakumbuh, I always shower in the morning with warm water because I could not stand the cold water there. In Payakumbuh, they speak Minang. Even at school, the teachers teach in Minang. But when teaching in a class containing me, the teachers use Indonesian, which is easier for me to understand. During Eid al-Fitri, the difference between Payakumbuh and Bintan is very clear. In Bintan, Eid is celebrated more merrily than in Payakumbuh, and also more crowded than in Payakumbuh. The point is that when in Payakumbuh, I didn't feel the way I felt in Bintan. In this paragraph, the topic sentence is: when I was in second grade of junior high school, I was transferred to Payakumbuh, West Sumatra. The controlling idea is Payakumbuh, West Sumatra. Supporting sentence is from while there until crowded than in Payakumbuh. And the concluding sentence is: the point is that when I'm in Payakumbuh, I didn't feel the way I felt in Bintan. Alright, that's all from my video. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.